Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Wednesday, June 16, 2021. It is 8:06 and 19 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, lateral flow. And don't forget to check out my website. Well, let's hop to it here. New research finds ways to improve accuracy of lateral flow. Date June 16, 2021. Source, King's College London. Research has provided new understanding of how false negative results in lateral flow tests occur and provide opportunity for simple improvements to be made. Lateral flow devices were introduced late in 2020 on a global scale to help detect novel coronavirus infection in individuals with test results produced rapidly in half an hour or less. However, their potential has been somewhat hindered by inadequate sensitivity with a high number of false negative results. Using X-ray fluorescence imaging from diamond light source, researchers set out to identify what can be causing these false negative results and what potential modifications could enable increased accuracy. They identified the underlying technology of many lateral flow devices as highly accurate and able to theoretically detect trace amounts of the COVID-19 virus. But the limitations fall to the readout of the device, the technology used to communicate the result of the test. In the study, they have suggested several potential simple modifications to the lateral flow devices that can lead to improved performance. Methods to detect infectious individuals who do not show or are yet to show symptoms remain essential for the management of the current pandemic. Lateral flow devices are the most simplest and most accessible test available. The research findings show great scope for improving the deficiencies that these tests have been recently criticized for. Researchers use light in the form of X-rays that can be up to 100 billion times brighter than the sun to image how the virus interacts with the test. The project was supported by a rapid award of experimental time at the science facility. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.